Want the best auto body shop in the Round Rock, Texas Gateway area? If you are looking for an auto body shop in Round Rock's Gateway area, you've come to the right place. Watch this auto body shop video for Round Rock, Texas Gateway service, quality collision repair estimate. An auto body repair shop repairs all the issues within a budget plan that fits all clients. Taking comments from the clients, the service center provides overhaul personalized at private level. Selecting the very best auto service center is not difficult if you have the needed info. There are many business in this field, however few have the competent technicians that can produce a difference in auto overhaul. They not only provide the solution, however likewise eliminate the issue from the root level. An auto repairing service should be able to replacement for faulty body parts as well as provide the very best elements. Apart from automobiles, different heavy vehicles are likewise to be repaired with excellence to ensure that the repair center gets recognition. Much like a physician, a technician at the center is able to determine as well as rectify auto issues. Handled by effective personnel, the auto shops have turned up as essential parts of the services in metropolitan areas, with large number of people gathering there to discover answers for their auto-associated issues. Cost-effective cost as well as top-class overhaul are going together at the repair centers, as well as satisfaction levels of the clients stay truly high. Every detail of the auto parts are kept in consideration at the auto body repair shop. The overhaul produces a positive difference in the road experience of drivers, as well as they do not have to get their automobiles serviced for a long period. A host of services are offered, including repairing of the brakes, replacement of the tires tubes, as well as repairing of the operating system that includes of the wipers, fluid levels, belts, battery, as well as a lot more. In the Canadian market, the car owners have ended up being extremely based on the auto service centers. Auto paint as well as body outlining are likewise offered within the small bundle at a few of the centers that take care of the outward look of the automobile. The paint is performed in an expert way to ensure that it almost matches with the previous condition of the automobile. The service centers have turned up as one-stop solutions for the clients, as well as they have got great suggestions for the services. Technicians are ready to follow up if any type of problem regarding the repair is brought up before them. Auto repair shops in Ontario have protected the goodwill of clients for several years. The accessibility of the very best technicians as well as the world-class elements contributes to the tourist attraction of the services. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.